Hi everyone, welcome to Grivya. I'm Greeshma. To know how I created this look, please keep on watching. For face primer, I'm using Wet n Wild Photofocus face primer matte. I'm gonna apply this all over my face, and also this blurs out my pores. Today I'm gonna try color correcting my face, and for that I will be using PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Pumpkin. I do have dark circles and little bit of discoloration around my mouth. So this is a peachish kind of orange corrector. After blending the concealer with my fingers, I will use a makeup sponge so that if there is any excess product, it will be absorbed by the makeup sponge itself. For foundation, I'm gonna use NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Deep Sable and Golden. I will be mixing both the shades to get the right shade. This is a foundation which I wanted to try from a very long time, and I will be providing a detailed review in my YouTube channel shortly. For concealer, I'm using PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Twisted Toffee. This is a kind of highlighting shade as well. To set my face, I am using K-Beauty powder in the shade Pecan. This is an amazing powder, guys. I just love this product, guys. The formulation is so good and it gives a complete matte look. Now to shape my brows, I am using L'Oreal Brow Artist Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. So I'll be using an eye base today for my eyelids. This is from Makeup Revolution. Most exciting part, for today's eye look, I'll be using Revolution Alexis Stone Eye Palette. I'll be using the reddish orange color on my lid. For my inner crease, I'll be using another palette from Makeup Revolution, and this is a peachish orange. I applied it with a brush, but I did not like the intensity, so I again applied a little bit more with my finger. To line my lid, I'm gonna use L'Oreal Paris Duo Liner in the shade Black. line, I'll be using Faces Canada Kajal, and I'll be using the other side to blend it out. As a bronzer, I'll be using Sugar Bronzer. This is a cream bronzer. To line my lips, I'm using Maybelline Lip Gradation Lip Color in the shade Red. For lipstick, I'll be using Maybelline lipstick in the shade Rock the Coral. To set my makeup, I'll be using Blue Heaven Makeup Fixer and splits all over my face. The finished look, guys. Hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.